Hey, let me show you all camera features and settings on the Redmi Note 15. So first of all, when you are in the photo mode, we can click on this button on the left side and it will allow us to change exposure from -4 to +4, and we can also reset by clicking here. Next, we can find option to switch between lenses 1x 28mm and the 3x. This is actually the zoom, digital zoom, and we can zoom in up to 20 times. This is the maximum zoom on this smartphone. Now, when you click here on this icon, we can actually put some filters on our photo that will change color and the temperature. And there's also the beautify mode if you take selfie or take a portrait photo. Now, by clicking on the right upper corner, we can turn on the dynamic shot. This is the live photo actually. Here we can just find the flashlight, and here we can find Google Lens. By clicking here, we can turn on and off the HDR. We can change the aspect ratio. We can turn on and off the camera timer. And there's the watermark that we can customize, but I'm going to show you how it looks when you enter for the settings. And that's also option. When you click on the screen, you can catch focus. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the photo mode. Now when you go for the portrait mode, we can change blur in the background 1.0 to 16.0, and we can zoom in like this. Here also the filters and the settings, nothing new. There's also the Pro mode where we can take 108 megapixel photos, and here we can find and adjust all of those parameters like exposure compensation, shutter speed, ISO level, white balance, focus range. And by going here, we can even add some presets. So we can quickly, select one of this preset and it will automatically adjust those camera parameters. Here we can find 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there's like 3 default setups, but also we can just download them and import from some stores. Now by going to the video, we can also change exposure. We can zoom in into 6 times. We can record full HD 60 or 30 frames per second. And also, when you go for this one, we can change resolution from HD into the full HD. There's also the Ultra HD mode. This is the option to take photos with 108 megapixel mode. And by the way, when you click here on the settings, we can find the teleprompter on this video mode. There's no any stabilization here. So now there's last hidden option. When you swipe into the right side, you can actually take this series of the photos. Now to open the settings, you have to click on this arrow in any of the mode and click on the settings. And here, as you can see, we can find the watermark. We got 2 themes, and every of the theme we can customize. We can add position, time, and change color of this theme. Now we can find AI recommendations for scanning QR codes, auto night mode, notify about orientation. Then we can find the main camera default focal distance. We can find 3 of them. Then we can change picture quality. Here we can find selfie mirroring. We can also find shutter type, tap to take a photo, palm shutter, audio shutter, and the additional shutter. For each option you can find short description, what it is and how it works. We can also view the parameters of the photo like focus peaking, so this is how it looks, and the exposure verification, and also we can find the histogram over here. Now by going to the video settings, we can change video encoder. We got 2 of them. And also we can turn on and off auto frame rate. Here we can find the grid lines, 3 options, the center mark, straighten. We can find the screensaver. We can also find preserve settings like the camera mode, portrait focal length, dynamic shots, beautify mode, filters, auto night mode, exposure compensation, and some other parameters. By going below, we can also find feature layout, so we can change position of those presets. If you want to put a slow motion next to the video, you can do this. Here we can also find the shutter sound. We can change it, but also we can turn it off. We can even change colors in our camera. So this is the default one, the yellow, but we can get it, for example, like orange or red. And below we can find volume buttons function. As default, it's set for 2 seconds timer. We can also use this as a normal timer, and when we press and hold it, we will record a 15-second video or take a burst shot. We can also use them to zoom in or zoom out, or to volume. We can also turn on and off the location tags on the photos and the videos. By going to the other settings, we can find anti-bending, automatic one, 50 Hz, 60 Hz, or we can just turn it off. We can check for updates, and we can restore default camera settings.